Everybody, welcome to Bush Roses. I'm Georgia Edgington, and we're here in a new house with my friend
Kristin Thomas, marketing coordinator here at Bush. We've been waiting every week, for these to be ready enough to show off. And
counting the days.
Wow, it literally exploded in here. It's very ready to show off now.
We've been counting the days. We've been peeking in. We've been bugging everybody who's in charge of this house.
When are they ready?
When?
Right. Yes.
Here we are.
Yes. Yeah. So this house we've talked about a few times, but it completely changed over crops. We completely cleaned it out, replanted last summer, and then waited.
And now we've got these gorgeous new gerberas to show you.
Yes.
Not only are they new gerberas, colors, but they're also new varieties, and they're just way cool.
Yes.
So right here in front of me, isn't this just amazing?
I know. I love it.
This is a pomponi variety. It's just crazy good. If you look at it, it actually looks like a dahlia. I think they resemble dahlias. So these might be the perfect item to use in place of a dahlia. They're just amazing. We've got them in a couple different colors here. But next to you, Kristin, is
So
who is that?
You said this was a pomponi.
This is a pomponi.
This is a piccolini.
Yes.
So it's hard, even though, the Italian is trying to come out of us right now.
Pomponi, piccolini, we feel like we need some spaghetti sauce.
Right. So these are the piccolini, which are smaller than a mini gerb. Very sweet, I think is the best
They're adorable
way to describe them. They're sweet.
Yeah.
There's very strong stems. They're a great addition to a bouquet.
Yes.
And we have them in a few different colors too. So
but
there's so much to show you, and we want to run through. So where do we want to go next?
I don't know.
Go across?
Well, across here is this. Look at the piccolini in pink and yellow. I mean, just beautiful.
Yep, the Bari pink, and then the Acona yellow.
Yeah.
Yep, super cute.
And then you move on down here to more pomponis, and this is Rhea, just fabulous again.
Yeah, the yellow. I mean, if you can see down the whole bed, this is off.
Yeah,
a great producer. It is loaded with flowers.
Really. And we may. I mean, these are kind of we've got them. They're coming in and they're going out real quickly.
Yeah.
So you've got to really watch
your cart.
Watch the cart and grab them as soon as you can, because everybody's
excited and wants to try them and play with them.
Yeah.
So keep watching. They're doing a harvest tomorrow, so if you're not seeing it in your cart today, for sure by Thursday you should see numbers in your cart again. Grab them when you see them, because again, everybody wants to play.
Jacob, run over here, because this is one of my favorites.
I was going to say
the black pearl burgundy pomponi. This is just, especially this time of year,
right?
And in place of a dahlia, whoa.
Yes.
Spot on. This is just amazing.
Agreed.
Gorgeous.
I think we skipped the Mayball. And it's we were talking about it. It's kind of it changes as it matures.
Right.
So it's kind of more of a dusty, darker dusty pink, and then goes a little bit more true pink as it matures there. But it's just such a fun one. I got to say, the two pinks are my favorites.
Very, very pretty.
Yep.
And like you said, how they mature, the tints, tones, and shades. It's full of tints, tones, and shades.
Even in one bunch, you might get several different shades of the pink.
Yes. Right.
Absolutely. We did grow some new mini gerbs that do really well. They're kind of a little bit easier to design with.
Right.
So a lot of people like mini gerbs, even though they're big mini gerbs.
And
really pretty.
Love this color. Just kind of a creamy color.
Calling it Mindset.
I think that's cool. Love that name.
Yep.
And then we've got Jackie Pink.
Got more yellow over here.
More yellow boost behind.
Really pretty
This
fuchsia.
Is really, oh gosh,
color.
Just gorgeous. And then Prosecco. Oh my heavens. Look at that
it's a really
color.
Pretty two-tone there. Love that.
And then check out this Madison orange. That is
we're making poor Jake have to go back and forth.
back and forth. This is his job, though. Right?
That's a really pretty orange.
Look at this Madison orange. Absolutely gorgeous. And this Monza, that's another pretty one. A little bit more brighter than Madison, but just you can't go wrong with an orange in my book, because I love orange.
Yeah, I agree.
Look at this Anna.
Oh my heavens! Pink again.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a nice
And then this creamy beach. Isn't it just fun?
So no, once we go into this bed, these are going to be more your standard size gerbs.
But I just love the dark eye.
Yep. And then
the full palette count, really fun.
And I heard a rumor from Sarah that we are going to plant more beds of this cream beach because it's just such a great color.
It's gorgeous.
Only have 2
Absolutely
right now.
gorgeous. And that's a year-round color. That mixed with all kinds of different tints shades is just fabulous. But Cupid, oh my heavens.
That is
love.
beautiful.
I am in love with Cupid.
Yeah, that's
this
a really
might
pretty
be
one.
my all-over favorite new one.
And I feel like this, because I'm looking down the whole bed, there are several colors. This might be like a tester bed where we're just trying lots of different varieties, seeing how they do, what the colors like, how they're growing, and then we'll choose if we want to plant more.
Right. So do we get to vote? I vote for Cupid.
Oh, do you?
Do we get to vote?
You haven't even gone down the rest of the bed.
I want Cupid.
Okay, we'll let the growers know.
And then how fun is this guy?
Yes, everybody's been loving the hippie chick.
Hippie chick. Look at the colors.
It's been so fun because of the 2 tones.
Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. How much fun can you have with that? In Design World?
Yes, and let us know if any of you have been lucky enough to have some of our new gerb varieties in your stores and had a chance to play with them.
Right.
We'd like to hear what you think. Yeah,
the
Silky Tears.
Yeah,
oh my gosh.
Oh, Silky Tears. I thought it said Salty Tears.
Salty Tears would make more sense, but these are Silky Tears.
And
that's
it's just
a beautiful pink.
Look at this one right here, Jacob.
Pink.
That's just
really big
amazing.
Wow, that's great for wedding work. Yeah.
Sky Dance is, and you know what, and it is kind of fun. Look at how it's so green right now, but then Jacob, show them at mature stage how white it is. Wow, that's really kind of fun.
This might be one of the ones that they're like, what do we even call this color?
Right.
It really does seem to change.
Right. Okay, this Lysandra. Holy cow.
That's
pretty
bicolor.
Wow. And
Yeah,
I love the dark center and the petals. If you look at the petals, they're a little bit more peaky. A little bit more pointed on the end.
Yep.
I like that.
That's a really pretty one.
Wow. I might have another.
Yeah, another favorite.
Another favorite.
I agree. And it looks like we do have 2 double beds of those, so I think we must have liked them too.
Good. That's
some more
awesome.
oranges.
Atlanta is really fun.
Oh yeah, several Atlanta because it's a
colors.
good orange.
That's a beautiful orange. Absolutely. Monroe is really cool. But we got to also shoot over to this Madeira.
Guys trying to get the
Jake, back and forth, aren't you, honey? Look at this Madeira. Oh, my lands. That's beautiful.
That's another great fuchsia hot pink.
That is just spectacular. Oh, this is exciting.
No, we've had limoncello before. It just was such a good yellow. I think that they just planted more of it.
Right.
So for those of you who haven't gotten to play with that one, it looks like we'll get some good numbers in this harvest tomorrow.
Did we also have Monroe before, or is that just? I think we may have, but it's again
such a good
beautiful
one.
Pink.
We had to plant more. Yeah.
Gorgeous pink. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, Jake, you've got to give them a span of this whole room because this is
just
so amazing. This is like a happy place, totally.
And the sun is shining and it's
got to get out of the way. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
These gerbs are happy, and they're happy here, but they're going to be even more happy in your stores.
Yes, right.
And in your
customers'
hands.
Yes.
So,
agreed.
You guys got to get these because these are just amazing. They're very beautiful.
Yep.
I can't wait to play.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah. Okay.